and welcome to the VSDC channel. Today we will guide you through cropping tools in VSDC. Cropping is a useful technique that helps you eliminate unwanted or distracting elements from your video clips. Adjust their size to fit various media platforms like YouTube or TikTok, remove black bars, and other common tasks. Cropped borders. To begin cropping, first select your video on the timeline and head over to the Properties window. Right there, find the Cropped Borders section and click the cropping icon on the right to open a new window. Alternatively, you can go to the Editor tab and find the same cropping icon in the Tools section. You can enlarge this window for your convenience. Next, let's consider some specific tasks. Task 1. Cropping while maintaining original proportions. As you can see, the dotted frame indicates the area that will remain within the frame. Hold down the Shift key and drag a corner of the frame to resize it. Please note, without the Shift key, the aspect ratio changes. If you want to return to the original size, select the corresponding button on the left. For specific adjustments, click on the triangle to the right of the Set the Original Size button for options like Set Width and Set Height to restore proportions. The cropping area can also be moved to your preferred position. Task 2. Crop into an object or project aspect ratio. This is controlled by the second and the third option of the Set the Original Size button. Set the maximum size lets the program automatically adjust to the maximum aspect ratio of the object or scene. You can then proportionally decrease this size or reposition the cropping area while holding the Shift key. Two additional options are available for aligning the crop area horizontally, vertically, or by sides. After configuring your settings, click OK. If you need to make adjustments, return to the cropping window. Look here. The cropped border section now has values instead of 0 in the properties. Remember, altering proportions might introduce black bars, so revisiting the cropping window is advisable for corrections. If you need to reset cropping, you can simply input 0 in the cropped border section or in the Editor tab by clicking on the triangle next to the cropping icon and selecting Cancel Cropping. Here you can also find the Auto Cropping button. It works the same way as if we choose to set the maximum size of the object in the cropping window. Cropping effect. VSDC also features a dedicated cropping effect for different editing tasks. It should be applied inside the object. To do this, navigate within the video to Editor, Video Effects, Transforms, Crop, and apply the effect to the video's duration. Here you'll find settings like Crop Mode, which includes crop and resize for fitting the cropped image within the effect's boundaries. To activate the crop frame, click the Crop Tools button, then adjust the cropping area on the scene. Then click Apply Effects to see the result. Our frame is stretched so that it covers the whole scene. Additionally, the Aspect Correction mode allows for adjustments or disabling of the stretch algorithm. The left, top, right, bottom sections are used to adjust the cropping values and to add key points. Let's click on the 3 points in one of them. This action brings up the key editor window. Now let's switch to linear change parameter and place the cursor at the end of the effect. Then on the scene, change the cropping area and the program will automatically replace all the parameters, resulting in animation. The Pro users can also add intermediate key points to make it more dynamic. And the last parameter is resize mode. These are algorithms for building missing pixels when enlarging the image, from the simplest to the most complex. Additionally, the cropped borders feature is also here. The difference from the described above is that this method focuses solely on trimming the edges without altering the image's original aspect ratio. Let's summarize. VSDC offers two primary ways for cropping: direct modification via the object's properties for swift ends, or the more intricate cropping effect for detailed and animated adjustments. Whether you're looking to quickly access unwanted portions or engage in more elaborate creative endeavors, like crafting zoom animations, VSDC stands ready to support your creative vision. And that's all for today. We hope you found these insights helpful for your video editing projects. Don't forget to subscribe for more tips and tutorials. See you next time!